I don't have the time. You want to take your business to the next level, but you find yourself saying, I don't have the time. And it might look that way, but the truth is, unless you're working on your business, you're always going to be working in it. And I see this all the time. In fact, Catalina was one of my clients who didn't have the time to work on her business, and she was getting up early, going to bed late, and her family was missing her, and her 3-year-old daughter wasn't getting any time with her. And so we started working on this, and we quickly realized that she was giving away 10 hours of productive time per week. That's right. The first week we started working together, she got back 10 hours in her week of productive time. Now think about that for a moment. If you could get 10 hours back in 1 week, there's probably plenty of things that you're doing that aren't effective. And it could involve media or watching things or entertaining yourselves with bits of information that don't support the development of your business or make your life better. But unless we recognize the truth about that and the truth about ourselves, then we don't make the shifts. But Catalina was open to it. We started working together, and we quickly found out that she had more time in her day than she thought. We all have more time than we think. The truth is that wealthy people buy time, poor people sell it. And so I'm sure you don't want to be a poor person, so you need to buy time and you need to be very effective with it. So something that I did with Catalina was we helped her get back hours in her week. And then once we finished that, we started getting back minutes and then seconds. We went right down to the minutest amount of time to get back the time that she needed. Because unless you're going to have time to work on your business, you will always be stuck working in it. And it's a vicious cycle. You need to find time and space so that you can work on your business. And then once you do, then you can shift to having a business that's self-managing and have people working for you instead of you doing the majority of the work, 50% or more, and being tired and burnt out and not being able to check out and do what you want when you want. That's why you started your business in the first place, wasn't it? So don't let this myth stop you anymore, especially if you're ready to take your business to the next level.